How to add a new contact on WhatsApp. Have you met a new person and want to start texting them on WhatsApp? Or have you just changed your phone and want to add a number to your address book? In this video I will explain how to add a new contact on WhatsApp in a few simple steps, so you can start chatting or calling right away. The first thing to know is that WhatsApp connects directly to your phone's address book. So, to add a contact on WhatsApp, you must first save the number in your smartphone's address book. Let's see how to do it. Open the Contacts app on your phone, the one you use to save numbers. Tap the button to add a new contact, usually represented by a plus symbol or the New Contact item. Enter the person's name and phone number, making sure to include the international prefix if it is a foreign number, such as +39 for Italy. Then tap Save. At this point, go back to WhatsApp. From the main screen, tap the button at the bottom right to start a new chat, the icon shaped like a speech bubble with a pencil. Your contact list will open. If you don't see the new number right away, scroll down and tap Refresh or Reload to sync your contacts. The new name will now appear in the list. Tap it to open the chat and start writing your first message. Alternatively, if someone sends you a message on WhatsApp from a number that you haven't saved yet, you can add it directly from the app. Just open the chat, tap the number at the top and then select Add to Contacts. From there you can save the contact to your address book as a new number or associate it with an existing contact. Remember, if you have saved the number but you don't see the contact on WhatsApp, it could be because the other person isn't using WhatsApp yet, or because they have turned off visibility. That's it. Now you know how to add a new contact on WhatsApp and start messaging whoever you want. If the video was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel.